Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're continuing our really long build that we've had on this 65 Cobra. But we've been working on it behind the scenes, you know, doing all the wiring. And wiring is not so much fun, you know, but yeah, anyways, we got it running, we got it driving, we got a lot of wires, you know, cleaned up, a lot of systems are working. So pretty much what I want to do is go for our first test drive. So we've been starting it, working on it, we've been doing a lot of stuff, but I'll show you guys later. But let's pretty much drive it out of the shop, drive it down the road, and we'll tell you what we did to it. Alright guys, so just like that, we made it half a mile, which I think it kind of went good and bad. It kind of stalled out on me. I guess the battery's too dead. We jumped it and then I thought it would charge it, but yeah. But we got the jump box on there. It made it all the way over here. There's a couple issues that I noticed when we got here, but we can definitely address them. But I did notice that the coolant did warm up, so it got the temp. That's a really good sign. I don't see nothing leaking. I don't see any oil leaking or coolant or power steering, so that's a really good sign. And it made it here. So suspension wise, I think we're good. So let's go over this thing and see what I've done to it in the past, let's say, year. Slowly but surely, it's getting along and we're gonna get this thing done. So let's go check it out. As you guys can see, we got the headlights pre-wired. So we got the high beam and the low beam, and then we got running lights and turning signals wired. So we got left turning signal, right turning signal. And it took a little bit of wiring, but pretty much we used the original system, and yeah, it worked great. So let's keep going. Over here we have what it had originally was kind of like the fan for the interior. So we kind of upgraded. We're going for a little bigger size, so it's more airflow is going to go into the passenger floorboard and the driver's floorboard. And it's wired to a switch and turns on and off, so that's a good sign. And when we get the body on, we'll finish the rest of the duct work, so be ready to go. All right guys, so over here is where the craziness, madness, all the wiring under here behind the cluster itself. And we did a lot of wire removing. We cleaned up a lot of wires. We wire loomed them. We got the PCM wired really good. We got the fuse box over there wired good, the wire harness. We got the fans wired in. A lot of wiring has been done. A lot have been done cleanly and nicely, and it's not gonna rub anywhere. It's not gonna be touching. The connections were done on it nicely, and so far it's working great.
Go in the shade. see a little better.
Alright guys, so we're back inside the car right now, and I'm going to show you what we've been working on. So we got the radio display over here, it's got navigation, it's got Bluetooth, we wired in some speakers, so we got speakers over here where they had originally. Also we have speakers back here, and I gotta say, the sound system sounds really good. We're still going to button everything up and have little covers, but I mean, it's turning out nice and clean and the way I like it. And then we'll go back here, we have the cluster, the original Ford Mustang cluster, and then we added it to the gas gauge and a water temperature gauge, and it still has like the check engine light and things like that because it's still running the OEM PCM and all that. So, and on this side we have our running lights. On this side we have our factory running lights, so right there our parking lights should be on.
Yep.
And then if you go up front, I'll turn on the headlights.
There we go. Yes, sir.
Also, we reused our original turn signals, so we got the turn signals over there and over there. So the turn signals work great, and the next thing is we have the horn, which is gonna be right here. We used the original one that came with it from the fire damage, so I think it'll be fine. If anything, we can upgrade in the future, but so far, looking good. Then we got a steering wheel kind of put in there for now. And then we got our portable seats, but we still got to get our whole interior done.
Alright guys, and I can't believe it's been so long inside the garage and now it's actually getting some fresh air. I mean, that Cobra has been sitting up in that lift for I don't know how long, so definitely this is exciting. It's getting moved forward. My brother finished up a lot of things on it already, so the point was basically do as much as we can to it before we put the body on. But I think we're ready to work on the body itself now, get it ready for paint, probably sand it again, go through it again and get it painted. So basically let it dry while we button up all the other things and put them together. I can't wait for that. I know it's gonna look amazing. Man,
plus we still gotta pick a color though. Yeah,
we still gotta do that, guys. So leave a comment below what you guys think of it so far, about the upgrades, about what we've done. I mean, hopefully this thing's gonna turn out really nice. Definitely put a lot of time into it. We've invested a good bit of energy into it already, but it's not done yet. As you can see, there's definitely more we have to do to it, but we're moving forward. We're actually setting ourselves a deadline by Christmas. This is gonna be done, it's gonna be over. We're gonna be finished with the Cobra, 100%. We're gonna get it done. You know, we can have set goals. You know, sometimes if you don't have something to aim for, we just, you know, get busy with other stuff, which happens. It's hard, guys. Yeah, we get spontaneous buys, you know, that happens in this business, but we're gonna try to stay focused, get this Cobra knocked out. Honestly, it's driving, it's moving forward. Like I said, get the body ready, button up some things, put them together, do some more detail work. Yeah, I mean, definitely, we're gonna get this thing actually going and looking good.
Pretty much you want to start the new year with a fresh start, you know, new builds, new everything, so.
Yeah, definitely finish it up, move on in life. I don't know if we're gonna take on such a big project again. We didn't think it'd be so tedious, but you know, that's just part of it, and mainly is because we got busy with other stuff, burnt RVs and water flood damage, you know what I mean? Stuff pops up all the time, but hey, we started it, we're definitely gonna finish it. We're not gonna abandon this one. We're gonna see it to the end. We're gonna get this thing knocked out completely. We have some ideas for it, but like you said, leave some comments below what we should do. Color choices, themes, styles.
I mean, we still got the interior got to redo.
Oh yeah, definitely.
I mean, we're gonna have to like expedite it though.
We're gonna get it done quick, yeah, because Christmas is around the corner, guys. Let us know if you think we're gonna make it. I think we can do it, Ivan. We just, you know, buckle down and focus on this, even though, like I said, we get distracted a lot. But we'll see what happens. All right, guys, so our game plan right now is basically just drive it back carefully to the shop and basically get it on the lift again. Not for long. We're not gonna keep it there this time for that long, but we want to, like I said, move on to the body, work on that, and get it painted while we can button up the other things. I mean, man, just looking at it brings back memories for sure. Taking the engine now, doing the swap over. Wow, what a build. But But like I said, carefully, just gonna drive it back and keep moving forward. Thanks guys so much for watching. Like I said, leave a comment what you think we should paint it. We need to paint this thing as soon as possible. Christmas is around the corner and we got to get this done for sure. So leave a comment below what you think. Catch you guys next time.